The Clarke Monza is a convenient, portable and lightweight oilless compressor kit, which is compatible with a wide range of air tools, such as blowout pistols or spray guns. Using the range of supplied adapters, the Monza allows you to quickly perform a wide range of compressed air jobs in a home, garden, camping and caravanning or garage environment. The adapters can be quickly and easily changed by the quick release coupler and include a triple head inflation adapter with base, a dust blowhead, a bicycle tire adapter, a balloon mouth for inflating party balloons, a large adapter, a ball needle, and a tire inflating gun with mounted pressure gauge. The Monza's powerful 1.1 kilowatt 230 volt motor drives the compressor to 6.35 cubic feet per minute of air displacement at a pressure of 115 psi or 8 bar. The Monza is built into a space-saving, sturdy and compact case with an integrated carry handle, and the 3-meter quick couple hose and power cable can both be stored inside the casing. Weighing only 5.77 kilograms, this light-in-weight compressor offers a small footprint and is ideal for both easy storage and transportation. The oil-free design of the Monza offers simple, low-maintenance operation. Suitable for inflating tires for cars and bikes, sports equipment, inflatables, and also blowing dust away from surfaces. The Monza is the perfect solution for anyone wanting a compact and versatile compressor for their workshop.